Today I will have a look at Old World Order, a teaser trailer. And that's some upcoming nonsense from Hibbeler Productions. Prepare yourself, this will be a real dumpster fire. Sean Hibbeler is the Flat Earth fool behind Flat Earth documentaries as Level, Next Level and Level With Me. And his next so-called documentary is called Old World Order, and he have released a video he calls a teaser trailer.
History is written by the victors. So what if the victor story is fabricated? What if the story they gave us all about our recent past was nothing short of a complete lie? For far too long, humanity has relied on the Board of Education.
Of course, education and schools are dangerous because the risk is that you're learning something.
To receive its official history narrative. The problem is their narrative makes absolutely no sense.
In reality, it's fairy tales told by Sean Hibbeler and other Flat Earth fools that makes no sense.
There are giant mistakes in the timeline that show us all. Not only did they lie, but they hid the previous civilization from us, with no mention of our ancestors looking a little different.
Oh dear, so he will include this nonsense about giants.
Traveling with no issues, doing it all in style and efficiency.
Of course, this is a much faster way to perhaps fly from US to Europe, and this one is much more effective than an electric train.
With beautiful architecture that we can't rebuild today.
Of course we can build them, but why would we?
Powered up cities.
The first city in the world that did get electric street light was Paris, and they installed it 1878. That's no secret.
Riding around on their advanced technology.
Interesting ancient technique. That's the Hibbeler platform made by the US Army 1953.
Advanced technology? Wait, I thought the 1800s into the early 1900s were a bunch of idiots riding around on horse and buggy.
I'm not surprised that he believes that, because he also believes that the Earth is flat.
Because when you look back and do a little research, it's obvious.
Yes, it's obvious that you are a fool that never have done any kind of research.
This old world was discovered and then destroyed, resurfaced and populated.
And the evidence for that statement?
They torched every city across the plain. Nothing new under the sun. Rockefeller flooded your brain with lies. Use your head.
Sean Hibbeler's worldview is fixated with US. US is less than 5% of Earth population. John D. Rockefeller have had no impact on Sweden, where I live. He founded big companies in the US. He was involved in founding University of Chicago, Rockefeller University, and so on. He had no impact on the rest of the world.
Think about your family tree and how it all began.
Genealogy is one of my big interests. I have information about almost all my ancestors since the 18th century, very many the 17th century, and some even as far back as the 13th century. So I know very much about my family tree, and I haven't found any information about a lost civilization or giants. This is the so-called experts starring in this upcoming documentary. None of them have any adequate education or knowledge at all. They are all, you guessed it, conspiracy nutcases.
Old World Order. Visit OWOfilm.com for more information.
Be prepared, a big dumpster fire is coming this year. Thank you everybody helping me, helping Ukraine. As you know, I'm buying with your help kamikaze drones to Ukraine. If you want to help, use PayPal. It's quite critical at the moment. They don't have enough ammunition and so on. So they are in desperate need of those drones. If you want to help, use PayPal. I hoped you enjoyed this video and this dumpster fire. I will have a closer look on this so-called documentary when it will be released later this year. Hope to see you soon. We'll be back soon. Have a nice day. Bye.